this comprehensive video, we're going to delve into two fundamental habits that hold the power to profoundly transform your life. Life, as we age, presents a myriad of challenges, from pesky colds to the capriciousness of weather, and the perpetual wonder about what the future holds. It's in these moments of uncertainty and reflection that our habits take center stage, as if holding a VIP pass to the grand party of our lives. Over millions of years, the evolutionary journey from monkeys to humans was not only marked by genetic transformations, but also necessitated a profound shift in habits, an unspoken law of nature. Either break a bad habit, or the bad habit breaks you. Now, here's the good news. Within the realm of our habits lie two simple practices that can pivot your life from mere survival to thriving. And if this concept resonates with you, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new. Let's start with the first habit, investing in yourself. Scientific experiments have consistently demonstrated that individuals who prioritize their health and fitness are more likely to succeed. The rationale is clear. Healthy people can assess and confront situations more critically, making them wiser decision makers. The ability to think clearly and solve problems is arguably the most important skill set, and an investment in this skill set provides a significant advantage throughout life. Think of it as a perpetual tree that keeps yielding fruits all year round. The benefits are lifelong, untaxed, and inflation-proof. A prime example of this is Warren Buffett, who, despite his initial shyness, invested in public speaking skills, a decision that played a pivotal role in his social confidence and success. Now let's shift to the second habit, doing what you love. Have you ever found yourself stuck in a job that feels like an eternal Monday? You're not alone. Many individuals spend the bulk of their lives engaged in activities they are not truly passionate about. But it doesn't have to be that way. Consider the example of Warren Buffett, whose profound love for stocks led him to team up with Benjamin Graham, his college professor and mentor, to pursue his passion for value investing. If you're in a job that doesn't motivate, or worse, stresses you, it's not the end of the road. The goal is to identify what you love doing, something that not only fuels your passion, but is also financially rewarding, and dive headfirst into it. You don't have to quit your day job immediately. Rather, start exploring your passion on the side. Build your skills, network with professionals, and craft your escape plan, brick by brick. Remember, when passion and skill work in harmony, a masterpiece comes to life. So, why not take the leap? It's never too late to chase what you love. In summary, these two simple habits, investing in yourself and doing what you love, are the keys to staying organized and productive. Embrace these practices, but remain mindful of your financial responsibilities. While the journey may be slow and challenging, the results are undeniably sweet in the end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, consider subscribing. Until next time, have a great day.